And finally guys, the last part of the PC build is finally out. This episode we'll be turning it on, playing some games, fiddling around with settings, and yeah, that'll be the end of the video. So, hope you enjoy, stay tuned, and I'll show you a little bit of B-roll to get you guys excited for what's to come. But now, the moment of truth. Everything's plugged in, don't watch the cables at the back. Everything is plugged in now. So, all it is a matter of pressing that fateful button. You guys are going to be with me while I press it. 3, 2, 1. And it worked. Whoa. That fan's not working. Yeah, it is. That fan's running. All of these fans are running. Is the graphic card fans working? Yep, all graphics card fans are working. But yeah, I'm pretty happy with this. I'm gonna test like the USB ports and rubbish like that. But apart from that, it's running pretty quiet. Well, I can definitely hear it. Well, it's getting louder. First port works. The USB port works at the front. Good sign. The ports at the back also work, which is wonderful.
2 seconds later.
As you guys probably saw before, the AIO didn't light up. So now I have to unscrew everything and flipping put it back in the box so Amazon can give me a refund. It's like, it's not even funny at this point. This ain't a laughing matter. It ain't a laughing matter at all. And with the power of movie magic, oh no. And voila, with the power of movie magic, it's all working. Hope you guys like, and yeah. All the fans are up and stuff like that. So yeah, hope you like. This was hard, long, and I am tired.
That's what she said!
I'm gonna show you the whole PC and build once I have my flipping keyboard. Why are the fans not spinning? Okay, there we go. See you in a bit, guys. Yeah, guys, it took a while for everything to come, but it's here. Everything is here, and it's fantastic. I've been out for like 20 minutes now, and it's still not working because it should be working. It's a brand new keyboard. Look, it says press F1 to boot. It says press F1 to boot. Nothing happens. I don't understand.
2 seconds later.
Guys, it worked. Okay, so basically, simply, just so if anyone's actually following this, they know what to do. Basically, all I pressed was FN and F1 at the same time. So if anyone's actually running into this problem, that's all you need to do. Because I felt so stupid, but it works now, so that's all good. Anyway, so now let's have a watch about what's going on. So why is only what do I not have? Oh shit, are not all 3 of my CPU fans running? Yeah, they are. Okay, so that's all good. Motherboard temperature, is this all okay? Because to say, I'm gonna quickly Google this. I might have done something wrong with the thermal paste because I didn't put any extra on, if you know what I mean. I just used what was with the CPU. So if I put any extra on, the mouse is working.
What? What the fuck?
This is so sick. It's so sensitive as well. Yeah, you guys, I can go back to this, isn't it? I'm gonna quickly Google CPU temp. So it is pretty cool, I think. Basically right now I'm just scrolling through settings. I got no idea what a lot of this means. Yeah, I got no idea what a lot of this means. Then save and exit, I think. Yeah, sure. And there we go. I think it should try and boot up to Windows now, I believe. Yeah, but yeah, I'm getting really excited. It's getting real interesting now. It is getting real interesting. But hopefully, when you guys build your PC, don't be stupid like me and don't press FN, F1. But like, it's the computer's fault for that. Ain't no way. How is a new gamer like me meant to know I'm meant to press F and F1? Like, it's not fair. But just you guys remember, like, to do that. Because if you don't, you're gonna have the same problem as me. Wait, what do I do? Wait, I'm confused. Hi guys, Mr. K again. We kind of forgot something very key. We need to format a USB and install a bootable Windows 11 drive. So I'm currently doing it now. I've been doing it for like maybe 40 minutes now. Took me like 3 hours to figure it out and do it because this computer is so slow. But I figured it out and now I'm just waiting for it to install. I'll show you guys when I install it. Oh, look, you guys can see me in the reflection. Fantastic. But either way, yeah, that's all I'm doing right now. Okay guys, after a few hours, which it did take, so be prepared to do that. But my computer that I was using was very, very old, so you could expect that. But yeah, time to turn it on and plug it in. It's just, I assume I just push it in to this one right here. I assume it doesn't really matter. Let's go like this. Again, don't watch this setup too much because it does get a little bit messy right now. Sorry, that's my little sister. But yeah, it does get a little bit messy right now. It does look a little bit messy, but it's just booting up right now. It's just typical of system. Here we go. And hopefully it works. If it doesn't, yeah, we might have a little bit of problems. We might have a little bit of problem, but hopefully. Ooh, this is new. Let's go! First time install. Language, English. Okay, sure. No. Where's the United Kingdom? Okay, so I'm gonna install Windows 11 Pro, the best one, I think anyway, who knows. And then we're gonna deal with that, and then I'm gonna quickly accept terms and conditions, do a quick read, authorize, very interesting, very, very custom, and yep, it's fully working, perfect. United Kingdom layout, yeah, sure. Yeah, add a second keyboard layout. Nah, skip that, don't have one. Let's connect your network. Basically, the thing with that is that I only have one Ethernet cable. So that means when I want to use my PC, I'm gonna have to like switch it out, if you guys know what I mean, which is kind of annoying, but it has to be done. And yep, plugged in the Ethernet and it says connected. Perfect. Okay, next, check in for updates. Oh nope, it's gone black. Why has it gone black?
You know what they say, once you go black, you're gonna need a wheelchair.
Okay, now it's time to name this device. Make it yours with a unique name. Okay. I think Mr. K sits nicely, but Mr. K is the way, because my Epic account name is K1 is the way. So Mr. K is the way. I think that's absolutely perfect. Do you guys like the sound of my keyboard? First of all, what the heck? I sound like a real gamer. What do you mean? No spaces? Oh, okay. Big K man. Bet. Fine. No numbers. Can't it? You know, I should have just left it as my name now that I think about it more and more. Maybe it should have just been my name. But you know what? You live and you learn. Anyway, let's get started. Set up for personal use. Personal. Let's go. Ooh, look at that. It's pretty smooth. Okay, so you guys don't need to see this. And I actually don't have a personal Microsoft account, which I will need to create. So yeah, see you guys in a little bit. Okay, I've just went through all my settings, and now I said this might take a few minutes. This is the final push, guys. We're nearly there until we see the home screen. And then after that, I'm pretty sure I need to watch like a 40-minute video of what to do after you first get your PC. But I may just go on games first. I may just start playing some crazy games. Maybe some Horde Killer. Who knows? 100 v Mr. K on his new gaming system. I wonder who's going to win. Duh, duh, duh. And here we are. Here we go. My brand spanking new PC. Look at it. It's amazing. Would you like to download, install? Is a service which helps you manage download. Okay, sure. Download what you want. If you tell me to download, ooh, look at the download speeds. Much faster than my 2013 Dell computer. Ew. I like it, you know, I like it. Picasso. I do like it. I'm not gonna lie, it's embarrassing that my first game that I'm playing on this new system is Crazy Games, but I need to do this. It's just one of those things that I need to do, because back in the day, I tried to play this on like my mom's computer and it kind of crashed. So, we're gonna do it now. Yeah, just pointing it out. Look at the load speeds. Nah, this is dapper though. I actually really like this. This is nice. It's nice. Anyway, continue. First game done. Let's go. What? Party's over. Everyone's surrounding me. Stay down. Take a guess what I'm going to do. No offense. It's just for the vibe, you get me? Like, obviously, you see it's much smoother than flipping Valorant. That's because my Wi-Fi has stopped having this flipping attack and it's all good now, if you know what I mean. So yeah, there we go. I'm kind of wasting my bullets right now. I'm fairly new. I'm pretty sure I'm still level 1. But I had like some extra money for some reason, and this is my car. So yeah, but yeah, it's pretty smooth as you can see, and this is like, all the lighting is really good, but this is on normal settings. Like, this is pretty good for normal settings, is it not? Like, in my opinion it is. Like, I don't know how to get in my car, I'm not gonna lie. Is it R? Is it T? Oh no, I forgot how to get in the car. I'm gonna die. Oh, there we go. Wait, what button did I press? Oh, it's F. And yeah, that was pretty much the end of the video. So yeah, hope you like. Please consider liking, subscribing, supporting the channel. that took a lot of effort out of me. It was very tough. There is still a few problems with my PC, but nothing that I can't live with right now. Like, there is a flashing power button whenever I turn it on, but you know what? We can live with that. But yeah, so hope you enjoyed. Any questions, just put them in the description below. I'll really be happy to answer any questions, especially if you're following this terrible guide. But yeah, hopefully you saw my PC build. Don't make the same mistakes I do. Remember, it's FN and then F1. And yeah, like, subscribe, support the channel. And yeah, see ya.